Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Alboom, and especially Alboom Placeit. So you can save time with their website, sales and productivity solution. I really have to say I really like the website. I like the vibe, I like the colors. So we are going to cover what is it all about, and then pricing, and we can compare it with some other softwares like Website Builder or Parkspage. So let's start. What is Alboom or Alboom Placeit? It's a simple to update and to connect with WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook Messenger. You can get more results by increasing your site visibility to Google search. Your site will be fast in screen sizes, it is easy to personalize, and many more. You can change colors, fonts, and visual elements. All gets optimized to mobile and tablet devices. You can create incredible pages to publish your projects and works. You can increase the visibility by sharing new content, create beautiful galleries to impress your visitors, and still it can be beautiful, or it will be beautiful in many devices. It's going to be very easy for your or for the people to find your web page, and your data and your visitors' data stays safe in every browser. You can personalize every color, every template, font, and visual element. Also, and I would say it's the best option that you actually have in Google ranking increasement. You can run it in your web browser, you can run it in your iPhone, iPad, and also in your Android device without any problem. They are providing videos and also documentation if you need to train your employees in it, providing 24/7 live support and the online support as well. When we check the pricing, with pricing you have two options: to be billed monthly or yearly. If you want to be billed, let's go with the yearly option. Placeit Basic, you can create your portfolio website in minutes, and you don't need a credit card, and it's completely free. What you get there in Alboom Placeit, you get website creator plus 2 landing pages, portfolio, galleries and blog, ready and customizable themes, CEO, social networks and Instagram feed, lead capture, and many more. Then they are offering the standard version, which is €7 a month, with all the basic info, all the basic features. Then you can connect your own domain, then active landing pages, no ads, and 5 GB of storage. And with Pro, everything in standard, plus 50 active landing pages. You can remove made with Alboom at the bottom of your site watermark, image copy protection, and 50 GB of storage. But let's start and create free account on Alboom straight away. You can go and right now choose if you want to create a website. You can check out the CRM. You want to go with proofing system, album design, or augmented reality. Those are all the features that Alboom provides. If you're interested in CRM, you can go with CRM easily. You can start and build your website. You can start with proofing system, album design, and many more. Let's go and check maybe the most used thing that Alboom is known for, and it's a website. Click on Get Started. and you can log in into by creating a free account. So full name, let's go like this. What is my segment? Art and craft. And create account. Okay, I now have to check the email. And we, I believe, have to wait for approval in Alboom. It's right here. Confirm my account. Sometimes it's gonna take 5 minutes, sometimes 1 minute, sometimes not even 1 minute. And here you have it, the first sneak peek into Alboom that we have. On the left side we have my portfolio, banners, blocks, menus and pages. Very easy to go. You check your portfolio and you can add work. With title, categories, I don't have like developed yet, and many more. I really wanted to only show you the insights of Alboom. In my opinion, it's very easy to read and pretty self-explanatory. And if you want to upgrade, easily top right corner, click on upgrade and you can make it official. I'm going to create more videos about creating websites and working at CRM of Alboom, so stay tuned. I'm not the biggest fan of long videos because you can't really keep focus in long manners and the timestamps aren't really what I'm looking for. So in that case, I'm gonna create a couple of shorter videos for you guys to how to create your website or pro site as they claim it. Also, if you guys want, I can show you the CRM. That's not a problem. And yeah, if you have any types of questions how to get in this free version of Alboom, please leave the comment underneath this video and I'll try to answer you shortly. So guys, so far thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Have a great day and goodbye.